The student filmmakers, first of all, Adelbert Apigonda from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with his film, Gun on Point.
Hello po, ako po si Adelbert Apigonda. Adel na lang po, director, writer and editor of Gun on Point. So, Gun on Point basically is a story about unfulfilled dreams, boundless love, and forgiving oneself. Ayan, so it's about mother and son, ballet dancer, ballerina, and making this film, I'm very enthusiastic and optimistic for this festival, and I hope na ma-edit siya ng maganda, and I'm very optimistic din naman na magiging maayos po yung kalalabasan. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po, Pure Goods and Panalo, sa aming mga producers po, and mga everyone a part ng festival. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Adelbert. Next, Alan M. Balance Jr. from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with his film, Cancer Din Ang Zodiac Sign Mo.
Hello everyone, my name is Alan Balance. I'm the writer and the director of the film Cancer Din Ang Zodiac Sign Mo. So the film talks about resilience, friendship, struggles, hopes, and lives of people living with cancer. And I'm proud to say that we did cast real cancer patients for the film. So I'm very excited to share this to everyone and to spark and bring hope to every cancer patient, and to bring awareness to every woman to check on themselves and prioritize health after all. Thank you so much for your consideration.
We have Angel Alison Cruz from University of Santo Tomas, Dito Dati.
Hello po, good afternoon. I am Angel Alison Cruz from University of Santo Tomas. I am the director for Dito Dati. It is the story of Yumi, who is a lost 24 years old, who navigated her home after the case of Bagyong Ondoy, and also had a strained relationship with her parents, all while looking for her old videotape that would revive her old dreams as a filmmaker. So basically, it's about a story of some things that you just can't control and how you will deal with it from your before to who you are now to the present. So thank you so much.
Romeo Dolin from University of Eastern Philippines for Cine.
Good afternoon po everyone. I'm Romeo Dolin, director of Cine, and galing po kami ng Northern Summer po. Representing University of Eastern Philippines. At yung film po namin is tungkol po sa isang lumang sinihan na patuloy po namin nakahanap mga tao na minirahan sa lugar na yun. At dito po makakarinig po siguro dito yung mga batang 90s. So, awakan po napagpapagong story natin.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Mariel Richie Holly, the producer of Cine. Cine serves also as a beacon of hope na kaya rin ng mga young filmmakers na ipanalo muli ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Kenneth Flores from Far Eastern University for 1-2 Strike.
Hello po, good afternoon po, everyone. Ako po si Kenneth Flores, the writer and director of 1-2 Strike. So this film is a very simple story of friendship and teamwork inside a sepak takraw sports team. So yun, meron silang paparating na city league. Pinagsama sila ng coach nila, pero tatlo silang strikers. So ayun, dito sa film ito, dito na discover ko ano ba talaga true meaning ng friendship, kung ang mas nag-matter ko sa dulo, yung pagkapanalo, pagkatalo ba nila, or friendship. Ayan naman po, and maraming salamat po. Pure Goods and Panalo.
Austin Ray Arfles Dito from Faith Colleges for Sa Susunod, Sisikat si Susa.
Hello po, I am Austin Ray, the director of Sa Susunod, Sisikat si Susa. And together with me is Adrian Tolmarido, my assistant director. So our film is all about a mother. So our film, Sa Susunod, Sisikat si Susa, tells a story about a mother who's questioning whether she has what it takes to finally
reach her dreams when all she did was to become a mother.
Yeah, and I think more than yung production of film, more than highlighting the women or the Filipino moms, we're also grateful to for Pure Gold Cinema for giving the Filipino youths the platform and the opportunity to showcase our passion para para buhayin ang sining ng pelikula dito sa Pilipinas. And we're just thankful for the opportunity that was given to us. Thank you.
John Gamale from University of the Philippines for Champ 3.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kai, writer and director of Project Champion. Champion is a story about a success story of a farmer's daughter. It talks about second chances, hope, courage, and in the belief the power of education to change our lives. Something interesting about this film is this is the only project produced and made from Mindanao. So I think what this project could offer is yung sensibilities of the Mindanao filmmaker. I'm so excited to share the landscapes of my province, hopefully come March for the festival. Thank you.
Next, one of our student filmmakers unfortunately couldn't make it with us today due to personal circumstances. But he is a regional filmmaker. We have Bjorn M. Herrera from Central Philippine University with his film Nanay's Frankenstein. Javier from University of the Philippines, Visayas, with her film Mother at 60.
Hello everyone, I am Eleanor Javier. I am the director of Mother at 60, and something about this film is that it is a very simple story and it talks about family, it talks about restorations of relationships. This is all about people in the family who are trying to work on their relationships, who tried and who wants to try.
Hello everyone, I'm Sophia Lata, the associate producer of Mother at 60, and we are extremely grateful for the opportunity to showcase the unspoken strained relationship of a mother and daughter. And we hope that this brings the Filipino community an inspirational film to watch. And we are extremely grateful for Pure Gold for giving us the opportunity to bring Mother at 60 to life.
For our next director, we have May Malaya from the University of the Philippines with her film Sisenta, represented by her producer Ivan Gentonizo.
Hello. Yeah. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Ivan Gentonizo, co-writer and co-producer ng Sisenta, and on behalf of our director, dito po ako para i-represent ang aming film. So, ayun po, ang Sisenta ay tungkol sa isang magandang babae, Cora, na kaka-turn pa lang niya ng 60-year-old and she just obtained her senior citizen card. And ang pelikula po namin ay tungkol sa kanyang kwento sa kung paano niya na-navigate ang buhay niya ngayong kaka-turn niya ng 60. And as well, it does the story on how she rekindles a romance from the past. So ayun po, sana po abangan niyo po ito sa Pure Gold Cinema Film Festival. So,
Corinne Esquera Mali from University of Caloocan City with her film Sampay.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Ira Corinne. I am the director of Sampay. Ang kwentong Sampay po ay tungkol sa isang batang si Sam. Isa siyang batang bakla na inaakala niya na ang mga pambabaeng damit ang magiligtas sa kanyang kasalanan. So, as you can see here in our poster, our film is very heartwarming, very childish, but very fun to watch. And so, kung gusto niyo pong makapanood ng isang pelikulang tatago sa puso, inanyayahan ko po kayo manood ng Sampay. Thank you for the opportunity, Pure Gold, and salamat po sa pagdalaw. Thank you.
We have Naya Nicole Mendoza from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with Timpers.
Hello everyone, I am Naya Mendoza from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Timpers will be witnessed through the eyes of a 7-year-old girl who witnesses her older sister go through womanhood. I think this film aims to share that even though women are often limited by societal expectations, we can still make films and we can still share stories about womanhood. Thank you so much, Pure Gold Cine Panalo, for this opportunity to more women in filmmaking. Thank you so much.
Next, we have Van Marvel B. Mola Cruz from Colegio de San Juan de Letran with Uwian.
Hello po. My name is Van Marco Mola Cruz and I'm from Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Ang Uwian po is about a woman na nakadevelop ng courting obsession after nawala yung ina. And this film is an inquiry into how complex human emotion can be in terms of accepting things. So, yun lang po. And lastly, I would like to thank Justin Besana for this poster. Yun lang.
Adrian Morales, University of the Philippines with Let's Go Somewhere Else.
Hello, ako si Adrian Morales, writer and director of Let's Go Somewhere Else. Isa itong kwento tungkol sa dalawang high school best friends, former high school best friends, na magtatagpo after 5 years. Isang gabi, sa kalagitnaan ng final season. Isa itong kwento tungkol sa sa pagkakaibigan, isa itong kwento tungkol sa pains from the past, isa itong kwento tungkol sa nostalgia. Ayun, samahan po natin si Gio at Ethan and let them take you somewhere else, the Cine Panalo Film Festival. Maraming salamat.
G. Narciso from Kalupasaan ng Lungsod ng San Pablo with Papunta Ka Pala, Nakabounce Na Ako.
Hello everyone, I'm Regine Narciso, but you can call me Reg. And the title of our film, it draws inspiration from the classic line na lagi natin naririnig sa mga matatanda, which is, papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. But, nilagyan lang namin siya ng modern twist. We incorporated the Gen Z slang bounce, which means to leave or exit. Ayun po. And this film, it tells a story about the unexpected friendship of Generation Z and elderly. And this is Lottie and Lola Melly. Lola Melly is her reclusive elderly neighbor. And while it highlights the generational gap, this film will also show that true friendship knows no age. Thank you.
Alexi Nicole Pardo from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with Checkmate.
Hi everyone, I'm so glad to be here. I am Alexi, the director of Checkmate. So, to share some of the background of our film Checkmate revolves around the life of Uno, a young chess prodigy who gives up to play the game that he loves the most just to help pay for his dad's illness. So, this breaks their bond, leaving them both hurt and distant from each other. So, years later, a tough situation forces them to confront their past and eventually each other. So this film revolves around the themes of forgiveness and acceptance within family relationships. I just want to share that I'm very grateful for Pure Gold Cine Panalo because this is my first time competing for a short film contest. So God bless everyone.
Earl B. Rebaño, University of the Philippines, Visayas for Caldaura.
Hello everyone, I'm Keith Earl Rebaño. And our film is The Ura, which is an Aklan term for clouds. So, galing po ako ng Aklan, which is a province na walang sinihan. So, I'm really grateful for this opportunity na binigay ng Pure Gold. And The Ura is an exploration of grief, what is grief all about. And it will also show that people grieve in different ways, and it will also show that it's okay to grieve sometimes, it's okay to feel sad, it's okay to actually feel sad that you lose someone.
Hello everyone, I'm Joanna de Monteverde. I'm the producer for The Laura, and this is my second year in Cine Panalo, but this time I'm here as a producer. So I hope everyone will look forward to our film because I know that our film will touch a lot of hearts, and I hope that one of those hearts will be yours. Thank you so much.
Lester Rimorin from University of the Philippines with Japan Surplus.
Konnichiwa po. Magandang umaga po hapon po sa magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Lester Rimorin, ang writer-director ng Japan Surplus. At pinapakilala ko po sa inyo ang The Panzer Glass. Tungkol po siya sa isang binatang Hapon na nanirahan sa Pilipinas at may obligasyon na alagaan or i-continue yung legacy ng kanyang father, na which is The Panzer Glass. At habang ay inalagaan sa proseso ng pag-aalaga ng The Panzer Glass ay nakilala na po isang binatang Pilipino at doon po magkakaroon sila ng cultural exchange. At bilang Pilipino po, kailangan din natin bilang Pilipino na dumaan sa globalisasyon at sa maraming tutulong pinakasa sa atin, kailangan po natin malaman kung saan ba tayo nanggaling kahit nagkahalo-halo na po yung mga cultural na pinapasa po sa atin. So, inanyayahan po kayo, lalo na sa mga mahilig sa mga anik-anik at mga mahilig pumunta sa mga vintage store, The Panzer Glass, para isalba, tulungan natin si Takumi, yung video natin, na isalba ang kanyang The Panzer Glass. Maraming salamat po.
Andy Sales from the University of San Carlos for G.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ako nga po pala si Jose Andy Sales. I am the director of G, and I'm from the University of San Carlos, Cebu. So my film is about a PCNet gamer who gets scouted for an esports tournament, but he must convince his disapproving father that his passion in gaming could pave a way to a brighter future. So it's about dreams, perseverance, and acceptance. And inviting you to watch this film kasi sa mga mahilig sa gaming because it's an esports film, and pinaghandaan po namin yung production design dito, and it has a mix of 3D animation. Kaya, thank you.
Mark Joseph Sanchez from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with our one and only Baboy.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ako po si Mark Joseph Sanchez, or MJ. Ang R1 and only Baboy po ay mag-express sa themes ng love, loss, and finding yourself again along the way. You can expect our film to be something silent yet a film that will also speak volumes. So, iikot po yung storya sa isang araw na journey ni Buddy na pagbebenta sa kanilang nag-iisang anak na si Baby, isa po siyang biig. Wala po silang kakayahang magkaroon ng anak dahil si Buddy po ay baog. And si Buddy po ay may lung cancer. So, napag-desisyonan niya pong ibenta si Baby. Gawa ng kailangan niya po ng pambili ng kanyang gamot. Dito po sa isang araw na journey ni Buddy, ma-reveal din yung matagal nang nawala ng long-lost sense of fatherhood sa kanya. And yun lamang po. And inahan niya ako pong panoorin ng aming pinig. Maraming salamat po.
Aubrey Soriano from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with si Nadia at ang kanyang mga kuro-kuro.
Hi! Sobrang excited naman kaya. Hello po! Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Aubrey Soriano, director and writer ng si Nadia at ang kanyang mga kuro-kuro. So basically, si Nadia at ang kanyang mga kuro-kuro is about Nadia, who is a queer student journalist who hold very strong values that will isa sa barrier niya sa journey niya in her youth, on her personal relationship, on the external and the internal factors there. And it will revolve around Nadia will be given a task by her coach sa kanilang student publication. And as she is deciding what topic she should write about, she will come up with a very drastic decision. And for trivia, kung gusto niya lang naman, this is my directorial so very excited and take the risk. And si Nadia at ang kanyang kuro is very highly influenced by Fleabag. So we're thank you.
Casper Pan from Far Eastern University with Sapag Bunga.
Okay, hi. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Jasper Tan, writer-director ng Sapag Bunga. So, ang Sapag Bunga tungkol lang po siya sa isang matandang si Ellie. So, ina-isolate niya ang sarili niya, and ang tanging inaalala nila ay yung mga bulaklak niya. So, gigising siya, matutulog siya, mga bulaklak nilang inaalala. Eventually, masisira itong routine na to nang dumating ang araw na may batang pumipita sa kanyang hardin. So, gawa ng batang to, magpipilitan siya, buksan ulit ang sarili niya sa mundo. Yun ako po.
Johannes Tejero from University of San Carlos, Taong Pindi.
Hello, my buntag sa tanan. I'm from Cebu. My name is Johannes Tejero and I am the writer-director of Taong Pindi. So, this is a rom-com short film. It's about Mark and Lexi who find themselves honing their skills in a fighting game in an arcade for an upcoming tournament, and they face a dilemma of who deserves to win between them. So, in this short film, we will be featuring it is a collaboration with Ranita Games also. So, we'll be featuring 2 of their games, which is Bayani and Singer. And this short film is about really exploring why we like games and how it resonates with us, especially gamers, and how fighting games, how it became as a part of the culture of the Filipinos. And that is all.
Among the least, we have Sean Rafael Gardejo from National University Laguna with De La Cruz 1P.
Hi, hello, hi. I'm Sean Rafael Gardejo, writer-director of De La Cruz 1P. So, De La Cruz 1P is a story of a recruiter na napagkat sa trabaho na nag-aarinan siya. And then, susundan natin kung gaano niya kadalas yung application process when it comes to mga ordinary in our PB. Ayun, De La Cruz 1P.